beautiful rainbow. Hello everybody, how are you today? We are going to paint a beautiful and colorful rainbow together. Remember kids, a rainbow has 7 colors. The first color is violet. That's right, violet. Let's get started. Well done! Let's move on to our second color. The second color of the rainbow is purple. That's right, purple. Do you have a purple color? That's amazing! Color with me. Well done! The third color is blue. That's right, blue. The color of the sky, the color of the sea. I love blue. Now, the fourth color of the rainbow is green. That's right, green. Do you have a green pencil color? What's your favorite color? The fifth color is yellow. That's right, yellow. The color of the sun. Awesome! The sixth color is orange. That's right, orange. Kids, you can pay attention to the edges while you are coloring. Don't go outside the lines. And the last color of our rainbow is red. Yes, kid, red. Now we have a complete rainbow. Very well. Let's go to the happy clouds. We'll color the cheeks of the clouds with pink. Look at them. Look at those big smile on their face. They look so happy. And now for the golden and shiny stars. I'm going to use my yellow gold. Yes, gold and shiny. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 stars. We are almost done. Yes, we did it. To see more videos, like this one and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.